Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to view ads you've seen on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. And now, as you can see, I have an ad on my screen, right? So I want you to do is to right click on that video and click on copy debug info. Okay, now just go ahead and open a new tab and search for adleg.com/debug. Okay, so you can see that on my search bar. Okay, so now you just need to wait until you see the text box. Okay, so just go ahead and paste the link that you've copied earlier and click on clear. I'm sorry, click on the link here. Okay, so now when you click on it, as you can see, this is the ads that I watched earlier. So when we go back to the video, as you can see, this is the title. And when we open the link that we've clicked here, this is the title. Okay, so that is how you view ads you've seen on YouTube. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.